work did you do? Alicia, 8 years old. What did you do? You help mommy and daddy at home? Well, oh, I am 71 years old. 71. I am 71 years. I'm sorry, I'm 71 years young. What's it, Pita?
What I'm saying is that chore, she's meaning.
Pita. Pita, I'm 71 years young, right?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't agree. My dad is
My
49.
sister says, God bless. My sister says, God bless everyone with good health. I tell you, health is really so important. My dad is 49. I am like your dad's dad. I'm like your grandfather. Alicia, I'm like your grandfather. I have a granddaughter who is 14 years old. The other day I was talking to my daughter, no. So I just asked her. I said, so in what class is Leah in? And she said ninth standard. I said, oh my God, she's in ninth already.
Hmm.
In a few years more, she'll be going into college.
Yeah, I was so surprised to be with with my nieces, and they are taller than me. Oh my
Yeah.
God! I say, how big are you? And I still remain they are taller than me.
Uh, they are years younger than you, but taller than you.
Yeah, so I said that now I become the youngest. Now I become the youngest
Alicia,
sibling.
what are you planning to do with your channel, Alicia? You're only 8. What are you planning to do with your channel? Do you want to become a YouTuber?
Yan, Sir Dario. 101 hearts.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do. It started raining over here.
Oh,
Yesterday
really?
also it was a bad day. A
Sir
lot
Dario,
of rain. My birthday is January 5th. Wow! Happy birthday in advance. Advance happy birthday to you. Oh, that is Monday. Monday the 5th.
the first day of classes.
Oh, okay, okay. First day of classes. So happy birthday in advance, Alicia.
Surprise for the parents to celebrate the birthday in school. Celebrate the birthday in school because it's the first day of the classes.
Ah. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I'm turning 9. Wow. Becoming a big girl. Alicia Abigail. Both are nice names. Both are nice names.
And
Marvi, thanks a lot, Marvi.
maybe talented to put up a conversation, right? In her age, she's capable to put up a conversation, and it's nice.
Yeah, yeah. 9 years old. Cute. But Ali, you're not telling me anything. What do you plan to do with YouTube? What are your plans for you with YouTube? I am so so sorry. I got to go. It's okay. Finish all your work. Bye. See you maybe later on. Pop in again.
There you go, eight people in the house.
Do, 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 do.